Check this out. There's a little bird stuck in our bird feeder. He can't get out. He got in before the snow for protection, I guess. So Brian's gonna knock the snow off the top. Good 8 inches. Come on, little birdie, get out. Okay, fly straight up and you will get out. He's got plenty of food in there, but we don't want him to hurt himself.
Yeah, let him figure it out.
Just leave the top off.
Yeah.
Okay, folks, we'll see if he gets himself out. So Brian's gonna try to tip it upside down to see if we can get him out. Come on, little birdie. I'm rooting for you. Yay! Yay! Good job.